Hey everyone, we're going to go over the RevoSpin ring light setup. Alright, so I got one of the arms here, and we have the parts that come with the arm and your 360. But let's go ahead and open up the RevoSpin ring light. So in the box, you get your ring light here. And then you also get an additional little ball mount. It's not really necessary for this setup, but it is there just in case. You have your remote, and then you have some screws here. So these screws are going to help you attach the ring light to the mount and for the phone. So very easy. There's two ends for here, and then you have a larger side and a smaller side on one of the screws. So a larger one will just screw into that end, and then for this side has two small sides. So you're gonna just screw that in to that side. Next, you'll take your arm, and then you'll screw in your plates. And then you want to take off this little sliding plate here. Alright. And now with this sliding plate, this can allow you to screw onto the bottom of your ring light. So you're going to take that and attach it to the bottom. And just make sure that's nice and tight, like so. And then you can go ahead and attach that to your arm. So that just slides right in. And you'll turn the knob to tighten. And then you're going to grab the screw that we set up and screw that into place. Next, you'll grab your phone mount, and you'll go and screw that into the other screw. And from there, you're pretty much done. So all you gotta do now is plug this into a portable phone charger, so one of those little battery power packs, and then you can Velcro that to the arm of your 360. So that'll give you continuous power for the ring light, and you also have a little controller here, and as well as the remote. So that's pretty much it.